doves in the wind. Pussy like doves in the wind.
Sweet sensation. Yeah, I'm feeling a sweet temptation from your body. Yeah, I wanna taste it if that's alright. And girl, I might just fall in love with you tonight if we do it right. Don't know your language, but I'm reading your lips, and I think they wanna say, come closer to your space. Kisses on the black cigarette. All this heat from your ashes, fogging up my glasses. Sweet sensation. Yeah, I'm feeling a sweet sensation from your body. Yeah, girl, you kiss so good, I should pay for it. I feel your soul vibrate like a bass chord. So we should ride this way like a rainbow. Girl, I don't know your language, but I'm reading your lips, and I think they wanna say, come closer to your space. Kisses on a black cigarette. All this heat from your ashes, fogging up your glasses now. Sweet sensation. Yeah, I'm feeling a sweet sensation from your body. Yeah, girl, you kiss so good, I should pay for it. I feel your soul vibrate like a bass chord. So we should ride this way like a wakeboard.
Yeah, ay, girl, you know what's up. Yeah, girl, you know what's up. Yeah, girl, you know what's up. I've got myself in a mess, yo. I met this girl, man, I swear that she's the truth. Can't get her out of my head, no. But I got a girl and I don't know what to do. I tried to tell her I'm taken. She told me it don't matter, she don't belong to anybody. She want me to have her. She know I got a girl and she wanna be just like her. Ain't tryna mess it up for me, ain't asking me to wife her. Taught me she's done looking for love. Been hurt before, she had enough. Now when again her body misses the feeling, and all she needs is the love I'm giving. If you want it, then I got it, baby. But they can't know what we're doing. She said, don't worry, cause I got it, baby. Just make love to me like your girlfriend. Just make love to me like your girlfriend. Make love to me like your girlfriend. When I walk out the door, that's when our love ends. But for now, make love to you like my girlfriend. Don't think I'm walking away now. She like a drug and she turned me to a fiend. And I know she ain't good for my health now. I want her bad, but she ain't the one I need. I keep repeating mistakes, but she told me not to worry. She know to stay in her place, cause I ain't leaving my baby. Already know I got a girl, she wanna be just like her. Ain't tryna mess it up for me, ain't asking me to wife her. Taught me she's done looking for love. Been hurt before, she had enough. Now when again her body misses the feeling, and all she needs is the love I'm giving. If you want it, then I got it, baby. But they can't know what we're doing. She said, don't worry, cause I got it, baby.
back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Nicole, and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I have this wig. Y'all seen me bleach this wig, dye this wig, and customize this wig and put it on my head. So the curls are failed, that's why this wig look like this. So I'm just coming to y'all showing you how it looks. So everything about this wig will be down in the description below, and so will the company information will be down in the description below. And I've created some cute styles with this wig, so I'm putting them in the picture right here, and some in the thumbnails, like, you know. And this wig is 14 inches, I believe. So yeah, if you have any questions, comment, concerns, comment down below and I'll let you know. So with shedding and tangling, I don't get any tangling like at all, but shedding, I get a little shedding, but it's not too much. I may get one every now and then, but I do receive shedding. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please subscribe, like this video, and yeah, bye guys.
I would wait for your boss, don't be late, no, no, no.